Hello everyone. Today I'll discuss exercise 12.2 question number 4. In a stack there are 5 books each of thickness 20 mm and 5 paper sheets each of thickness 0.016 mm. What is the total thickness of the stack? Let us find. Let us find. Thickness of each book. Thickness of each book is equal to thickness of each book. Thickness of each book is equal to 20 mm. Therefore, thickness of 5 books. Therefore, thickness of 5 books. Thickness of 5 books is equal to 5 into 20 millimeter. That is equal to 100 millimeter. 100 millimeter. 100 millimeter. 100 millimeter. Right? Now, thickness of each paper sheet. Thickness of each paper sheet. Thickness of each paper sheet is equal to 0.016 millimeter. Therefore, thickness of 5 paper sheets is equal to 5 into 0.016 millimeter. Right? 5 into 0.016 millimeter. If we multiply this one, we are getting 0.016 with 5. And 5 6 is 30. 3, it is 0. 5 into 5 plus 3 is 8. 0.080 millimeter. That is 0.080 millimeter. Right? Now find the total thickness of the stack. Total thickness of the stack is equal to total thickness of the stack. Total thickness of the stack. Total thickness of the stack is equal to thickness of 5 books plus thickness of 5 paper sheets. Thickness of 5 books. Thickness of 5 books. 5 books plus thickness of 5 paper sheets plus thickness of thickness of 5 paper sheets that is equal to thickness of 5 books 100 plus thickness of 5 paper sheets that is equal to 0.080 millimeter. Therefore, we are getting 100 0.08 millimeter, right? If we write it in standard form, then we are getting 1.0008 into 10 to the power 2 millimeter, and that is the answer. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.